there it is. Yes, man. There it is.
That felt good.
That felt good, right? Not too bad?
Nah, it feels good.
Yes, ma'am.
I can feel like it opened up already.
Already, right? Yes, ma'am.
Oh my goodness. No, that felt amazing.
No, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not.
Hey guys, Dr. Clerge, your DMV chiropractor. I'm here today with Brittany. All right, so Brittany, you've been here before, right?
Yes.
Okay. It's been a while though.
Definitely have. Like I said, I had to get in before the holidays.
Right. So what's going on? You told me stiffness everywhere.
I was still working from home, so the neck is stiff, lower back, and then something like restricting my breathing
I see.
in the middle.
Okay. So like upper region.
Yeah.
And you're still having that left side, the hip, lumbar muscle issue, right?
Yeah.
So, but that's more chronic because you the first time you came in, you had it,
Yeah.
right? Is it getting any better or?
No, I feel like it's getting worse, honestly, that spot.
But it's been like what? Last time you saw us like
It's been
several
over a
months
year.
ago?
I
Over a
think it's
year.
been over a year.
Right,
Yeah.
right. Did you go to another chiropractor or did you
No, just been getting massages.
just
honestly.
massages? Okay. So are the massages helping or not really?
For the moment.
For the moment. Okay. All right. Okay. So I already did the assessment. I can see there's a lot of tightness in that area. The neck, very stiff. Right? So we're going to do the adjustments to kind of loosen you up.
Okay.
You know, get some more joint range of motion. And then after that, Crystal's going to take over. Okay? She's going to do the Thai massage to kind of help with the deep stretches and just the overall stiffness to kind of relieve all of that.
Okay.
Okay?
Sounds good.
And then last thing we do will be the massage. All right. Any questions?
No.
No? Okay. Fix you up. I'm gonna have you hold on to your arm like this for me. I'm gonna bring your hip in, okay? There we go. Perfect. All right. Reach in like this. Good. Make this leg straight for me. I'm gonna bend this leg. Good. All right. Good. Oh, I felt it already.
Yeah.
It wants to pop. All right. Deep breath. Out. There we go. Yes. Man.
Definitely.
How did that feel?
That felt good.
That felt good? Not too bad?
Not good.
All right. Let's go to the other side. Don't wait so long, though.
I know, right?
Not like a year, you know? Maybe a few months. All right. I'm going to bring your hip inward, okay? Good. There we go. All right. Okay. Just keep holding on to that arm for me. Bring your body closer to the next one. A little bit more. There we go. Good. This leg is straight. We're going to bend this leg. Okay. Hold on tight. Good. Deep breath. Out. Felt it, right? Yeah, the first time. Okay, how was that?
That was good.
Not too bad? Okay. All right. Let's have you go ahead and sit up for a minute. All right. So now, I know you mentioned like the chest, you know, like it kind of stops your breathing. You know?
Yeah, like restricted. Because I remember when you did it before, it was like instantly like opened up.
You felt that relief, right? I think we did a standing adjustment when I looked at your file. That's what we did. So we're going to try that again. Now, you may hear the popping, you may not. It all depends on how tight things are. It's kind of hard to predict it, okay? All right, so I'm going to have you stand up for me. Now, you can go underneath your hair and lock your fingers for me. Good, there we go. Nice. Okay. Go ahead and squeeze your elbows together. I'm going to bring you back. Squeeze them as hard as you can. Hard, hard. Ah, there it is. Yes, man. There it is.
That felt good.
That felt good, right? Not too bad?
Nah, it feels good.
It feels good?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can feel like it opened up already.
Already, right? Okay, perfect. Yeah, you needed it. So that was a lot. Have a seat. All right. I'm going to take care of this area here. Good. Let's go to this side here. Relax. Felt that already, huh? Yeah. go to this side, same thing. Relax. Good. Good. Any pain with that?
Yeah.
You felt those pops though, right? Okay. Let's have you sit up for me. Alright. Just relax, pull against me gently. Good. Good. Alright, let's go to the other side. Just pull against me gently. Good. Good. Alright, okay. Alright, so now we're going to do your cervical, alright? This is the area where you have a lot of the stiffness as well, okay? Just gonna rotate a little bit. Drop your head in the palm of my hand and just relax for me. Good. Drop that shoulder down, relax a little more. Good.
I feel good.
Not too bad? Yeah. That's what happens when you wait a year, right?
I know, right?
Alright, same thing. We're going to go to the other side. Alright. Rotate a bit. Drop the head down. Good. I want you to relax for me a little bit more. Yes, ma'am.
That felt amazing. Yes, I can feel it already.
Yes.
In the neck.
Not too bad?
No, that felt good.
Okay, so we got the last one to do, which will be the Y strap.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, I want to do a few pulls first, alright? Because I want to make sure that it doesn't hurt. If it hurts, then we'll stop, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Besides the tension of me pulling, no pain, right?
No, just tension.
Okay. Take a deep breath for me. Let it out. Good. Perfect. Take one big breath. Out. Yes, ma'am.
Oh my goodness.
That's your favorite one.
That is my favorite adjustment for a reason.
How far did we go? Mid back, low
Like
back?
mid back.
Mid back?
Yes.
Yeah. It was pretty loud too.
I always love that one.
Not too bad.
No, that felt amazing.
All right, let's have you sit up. All right, so now I'm gonna have you get up, move around for me a little bit, and then remember, you still have the Thai massage to do.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Let's see how you feel so far. We still got a lot more work to do.
I feel good. So that mid back that I was saying definitely opened up.
Opened up, right? Yeah,
And
that
the neck.
adjustment.
Oh, that feels good. I feel the
Release, right?
release of it. Yeah.
Okay. All right, so now we're getting ready for your Thai massage.
Okay.
And then after that, your regular massage.
Perfect.
So you gotta be sweating. You gotta be working hard. You always gotta be working hard when you come up here, right?
grab my arms. I'm gonna grab yours. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Breath out, look up. There you go. Perfect. Keep breathing. One more. Breath in, breath out, look up. Perfect. And relax. That was good. You feel okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, we'll do it again. Deep breath. Breath out, look up. That's good. Breath in. Breath out, look up. And last one. Look up. Okay. Grab your arms. Okay, so deep breath in, breath out, look up. And breath in, breath out. Good, good, good.
Thank you for your help.
One more time. Deep breath in, breath out, look up. Deep breath in, breath out. Go ahead and bring yourself on your hands and knees. Breath out. Breath in, breath out. And deep breath in, deep breath out.
How do you feel?
Deep breath, breath out. Bend your knees. Bend it. And deep breath, breath out. And again. And breath out. Let your knee fall out. There you go. Okay, deep breath. Breath out. Breath in. Breath out. in, breath out. And breath out. Deep breath out. Bend this knee. You're right. Arms, deep breath in, breath out, look down. And bend your knees. Same thing like before. And grab your arms. Okay, deep breath in, breath out to look down. There we go. Keep looking down. Let go. Breath out. And slide your hands forward. There you go. Go ahead and look up. And deep breath. Breath out, look down. Okay, now bring yourself up slowly. You're gonna clasp your hands over your head and keep your elbows straight. Straight up. Yes. Actually, the other way. Clasp your hands on the way. There you go. Keep that tight. Okay, this is the last one. Breath out. Oh, hold on. You are ready. Go ahead and slide up. Okay. She said, I'm ready to go. Okay, deep breath in. Breath out. Very slowly. Just breathe. And keep breathing. Great. Perfect. Keep breathing. Use your core to bring yourself up. Squeeze your stomach. There you go. Keep going. You got it. You got it. You got it. Okay. You can relax. Alright, how about we wearing these sweaters? You are ready for your adjustment.
Thank you. That was great.
Good.